What would your firm do if someone cloned your website? Unfortunately, this isn't a hypothetical anymore. Cybercriminals are creating fake websites that look nearly identical to legitimate broker-dealers and registered investment advisors. They can copy your branding, your disclosures, your advisor bios, even your client portal. And with artificial intelligence, these impersonation campaigns can now be launched faster, cheaper, and more convincingly than ever before. The real question isn't whether this could happen, it's whether your supervisory procedures are ready if it does. Here's the important point. The SEC and FINRA don't expect firms to prevent every cybercrime, but they do expect firms to have reasonably designed supervisory systems that allow them to identify, investigate, document, and respond appropriately when impersonation occurs. In other words, regulators often focus less on the fact that your firm became a victim, and more on how your firm responded afterward. Why does this matter? Because a cloned website is rarely the end goal. It's usually the starting point for a much larger fraud. Criminals may use the fake site to steal login credentials, capture multi-factor authentication codes, redirect wire transfers, compromise customer accounts, or obtain sensitive personal information. That's why regulators increasingly view website cloning as an investor protection issue, not simply an IT problem. So what should your firm do if you discover a cloned website? First, escalate the incident immediately. Compliance, IT, legal, operations, and senior management should all be involved early. Next, preserve evidence before taking anything down. Capture screenshots, save URLs, preserve emails, and document everything. Then determine the scope. Did someone simply copy public information, or have customers actually interacted with the fraudulent website? From there, begin takedown efforts with domain registrars, hosting providers, search engines, and social media platforms. If customers may have been affected, communicate with them promptly, explain the situation, reinforce approved communication channels, and consider enhanced verification procedures for high-risk transactions. Finally, document every step of your investigation and response. That documentation may become just as important as the technical response itself. This is also a good opportunity to review your written supervisory procedures. Do they address website cloning, digital impersonation, escalation procedures, customer communications, employee training? These are exactly the kinds of questions regulators increasingly expect firms to answer. The bottom line is this: website cloning is no longer just a cybersecurity issue. It's a supervisory issue. It's an operational risk. And ultimately, it's an investor protection issue. Firms that prepare before an incident occurs and can demonstrate a thoughtful, documented response afterward will generally be in a much stronger position if regulators come calling. At LeGaye Law, we make regulations make sense. For more regulatory updates, subscribe at LeGayeLaw.com.